Tinie Tempah, Tinie Cunnis Authority.
Go hinta.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm in charge now. I'm a star and I put my cars down.
Now, I'll tell you what, there are very few men who can wear sunglasses indoors and not look like a gob. You pull it off with more style than I could. Yeah, look at that. It was kind of almost a slap and then it became a...
Let's do it again properly.
Oh yeah, we bonded right there.
That was good.
I met Tinie very recently at the Rihanna after party.
Well, yeah, we sort of
We kind of met in a kind of a ships passing in the night.
Irish style.
Yeah, big time. You know, how was that?
It was absolutely amazing.
Not the party, the gig. Obviously, the party was great, but the actual
amazing.
gig. Yeah.
It was good to be in Dublin. It was it was the second time I'd ever been in Dublin, but the first time I'd ever performed.
Yeah.
In like the arena and whatever, and it was absolutely incredible. You know, I love the Irish people, and we had such a good time.
Yeah, and there ain't nobody fresher, semester to semester.
And I do remember from the concerts, I came in, I didn't actually know you were going to be on the gig.
Yeah.
And I came in, and it was just near the end of your set, and you were like, when I say Tinie, you say Tempah, Tinie, and the place just, whoa! Tempah! It was epic. What an intro to Ireland.
Absolutely amazing. That's why every single time I know I'm coming to Ireland, I just get so excited.
Yeah, there was a lot of love.
So excited. I love it over here.
I wanna pick her up. Now down. She gonna be waking up my neighbors if I bring her around.
Now, debut album comes out end of August, roughly September.
Yes.
Very good. What can you tell us about that? More of the same, what we've heard thus far?
I can tell you that the album is called The Discovery, and it's a real eclectic mix of music. You know, I really wanted to. I really made an effort of trying to capture an exact a period of time.
Yeah.
But like, do you know what? I remember how old I was when I heard this album first. I remember what I was into, what I used to dress like.
Very generation specific
exactly,
moment.
Generation specific, and you know, I feel like I've really accomplished that.
Yeah, they say hello, they say hola, and they say bonjour. I never got to fly on a Concorde.
You performed with Snoop Dogg as well recently.
I did perform at Snoop Dogg. He done the Pyramid stage at Glastonbury, and so he brought me out after Sexual Seduction to perform Pass Out because he done a remix of it. So that was like a dream come true. I literally met Snoop Dogg 15 minutes before the performance, and he was like, "Okay, dog." So after, I'm not even gonna bother to do an American accent, but he goes, "After Sexual Seduction, I'm gonna bring you out, and we're gonna just do it." And I was like,
okay, Snoop Dogg.
Okay.
Did he call you dog? He didn't call you Rizzle, Tizzle, Dizzle?
Tiny Tizzle.
Tiny Tizzle?
Yeah, it works, doesn't it?
It does work, yeah.
So, how would you izzle-fy your name?
Owen McNizzle.
Okay, that works.
Yeah, excellent.
Remember that bit?
Oh yeah, where we bonded. Tinie, we're really looking forward to the new album Discovery in September. It's been a pleasure. Hope you have a fantastic gig. Let's do the melt.
Remember to Clark. Yeah, there we go. Perfect.
Tinie Tempah and Pop4 Oxegen, Gá Bhíle sa 10.